Hey there guys, welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev, and today we're going to do a quick review on my mechanical keyboard that I got about a week back. It's the Razer Ornata V2. I'm going to quickly show it to you. There it is. I'll show you close up. Alright, so as you can see here, it's got these small little stands. It's got two of them. So the height of the keyboard is adjusted to two levels. And we have a look at the back panel. As you can, this mechanical keyboard, when you press the keys, they're pretty soft to the touch. So they're not like these old 1998 keyboards that are pretty rough. So they're pretty smooth and pretty soft to the touch. As for the noise, when you press the keys, they're pretty clunky and noisy. So if you don't like the noise, or on the other hand, if you like the noise, so it depends on what kind of person you are. Over here we've got a volume scroll wheel, and it's pretty smooth. It's also clickable. Then we got three play buttons here. We got fast forward, rewind, and then play and pause. So if you want to play your music player on your, or you want to play your media player on your laptop or your desktop, you can use these three keys plus all these four keys, including the volume wheel. And yeah, this is definitely a developer's keyboard or gamer's keyboard, especially if you're typing at roughly 100 words per minute or 60 words per minute and up. You can comfortably do more than that. As you can see here at the back, there are adhesive rubber footsoles that basically, placed on a flat surface, will prevent the keyboard from slipping and sliding. So it's pretty difficult to move it around, as you can see. But to be fair, once the stands are out, there's not really much use for them except for the back, but it's more slippery then. Alright, so that is pretty unique, and that is the illuminated background lighting, multicolored lighting. It's pretty interesting. I think it's very good for gamers and people that like to code or like to type in the dark, or so that you can actually see where you're typing, because ordinary people are still look at the keyboards now and again to see what they're doing. So I think the background lighting helps, and I think it looks pretty cool. So I don't know what you guys think. Okay, next up I've got, it comes with this wrist rest, as you can see, or wrist cushion, and but yeah, it's got magnets on the inside, and so does the keyboard. So what happens is, as I push it towards the keyboard, it kind of just sucks it in, and it sticks and it stays. It's very difficult to remove it, so it's pretty solid. Overall, the cushioning is pretty comfortable. It's a little bit high for my liking, but I can still type no problem. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a quick view of the keyboard close up. Alright, and that's it guys. That was the review on the Razer Ornata V2. I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.